Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best drones you can buy on AliExpress in 2026. These drones include professional camera drones, FPV flyers, and feature-packed quadcopters for aerial photography and videography. We'll go over each model's features, performance, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which one suits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia M6 Drone, 8K Professional HD Camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, Screen Remote. The Xiaomi Mijia M6 is a professional-grade drone equipped with an 8K camera capable of capturing high-resolution aerial footage. It features 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, a built-in screen remote controller, and precision flight controls. The quadcopter design includes stable flight systems and intelligent flight modes. The 8K camera delivers ultra-sharp photos and video with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. The integrated remote screen makes setup and flying intuitive without needing a phone. FPV streaming over 5G Wi-Fi is smooth and low latency, great for immersive aerial video capture. Pros: 8K professional camera quality, built-in screen on the remote controller, stable flight performance, strong FPV transmission. The Xiaomi Mijia M6 is a strong choice for content creators and photographers who want professional-level video quality and an all-in-one flying experience. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia GT8 Drone, 4K and 8K camera with obstacle avoidance. The Xiaomi Mijia GT8 is a folding drone with dual-resolution camera options supporting both 4K and 8K video capture. It includes obstacle avoidance sensors, large screen remote control, and advanced flight modes. This model prioritizes both usability and safety with its obstacle avoidance system, making it suitable for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Video quality is excellent with detailed footage, while the large remote screen improves visibility during flight. Pros: dual 4K, 8K camera support, obstacle avoidance for safer flying, large display controller, foldable and portable design. The Xiaomi Mijia GT8 is perfect for users who want high-resolution video capabilities and added safety features like obstacle avoidance. Number 3. Xiaomi A1R3S GPS Drone, 8K GPS FPV Foldable Quadcopter. The Xiaomi A1R3S is a foldable GPS drone with 8K professional camera, brushless motors, and laser obstacle avoidance. It supports FPV flight, aerial optical tracking, and precise GPS navigation. This drone shines in stability and handling thanks to its brushless motors and GPS support. The aerial footage is clear and detailed, suitable for cinematic shots. Pros: 8K camera and GPS navigation, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors for smooth flight, foldable and travel-friendly. The Xiaomi A1R3S GPS drone is ideal for aerial photographers and travelers who want advanced navigation and professional video quality. Number 4. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone, 8K brushless camera, foldable quadcopter. The Xiaomi V198 GPS drone features 8K camera, brushless motor design, and GPS positioning for stable flight. It is foldable and compact, making it a good option for beginners and casual users. Image and video quality are strong for the price range, and GPS ensures reliable hovering and flight paths. Brushless motors provide efficient stability and quieter operation. This drone is easy to fly right out of the box. Pros: 8K camera with good clarity, stabilized GPS flight, compact and foldable design, suitable for beginners. The Xiaomi V198 GPS drone is a solid mid-range option for users who want high-resolution footage and stable flight at an affordable price. Number 5. AE8 Evo GPS Drone, 4K dual camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV. It comes with dual HD cameras, 4K primary resolution, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, built-in screen remote, brushless motors, and intelligent flight modes. The dual camera setup allows flexible shooting angles and perspectives. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance makes this drone very safe and reliable in complex environments. The built-in screen improves convenience, and 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission is responsive and clear. Pros: dual 4K cameras, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, built-in screen on the remote controller, smooth FPV streaming. The AE8 Evo GPS drone is an excellent feature-packed choice for tech enthusiasts and advanced users who want excellent obstacle avoidance and flexible camera options. These are the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you are a professional content creator looking for 8K aerial footage or a beginner who wants a reliable and easy-to-fly quadcopter, there is a model here for you. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and more details. If this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite drone.